trying to do this little Springbok, the Taj Mahal, India, a Springbok puzzle. Got it for $2.99. 13.5 by 19 inches, 350 pieces. And yeah, I thought I'd read this little thing on the back. It says, "The Taj Mahal, an enduring tribute to love. This magnificent tomb was built in 1631 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife, the Begum Mumtaz Mahal." Boy, I butchered that. Both the emperor and his beloved consort now rest there beneath an exquisitely carved marble screen. The Taj Mahal is considered by many to be the most perfect building ever constructed by man. With its sculpted domes and minarets, the structure combines grandeur and feminine delicacy, which have made it one of the beautiful wonders of the world. Photographed by Ray Manley of Shostal Associates. So, that's it. Let's do a little time lapse. Well, there it is. Finished it up. The Taj Mahal. Took about 2 hours, I think. I like it. Good old Springbok. Doesn't have quite the same hold as a lot of the other puzzles I've done from Springbok. And it's missing a piece. But, very fun. I like it. I'm glad I got it. This puzzle set at the thrift store for a long time. I went back, it's like several weeks. Week after week. No one bought it. It's like, well, shoot. I'll buy it. I'm glad I did. It's cute. And it's beautiful. Anyway, thanks for joining me. See you next time.